Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about mass and weight. We are going to basically talk about the differences between mass and weight. We have to remember that mass and weight are different things. They are often confused. So let's see what are the differences between mass and weight. So we'll be talking about the core as well as the supplement topics. Let's talk about mass first. So what is mass? So mass is basically the amount of matter in an object. How much matter an object contains. If I'm talking about a ball, how much matter is there inside the ball is actually the mass of this ball. Right? It's a scalar quantity. Why? Because it doesn't have a direction. If I'm saying the mass of this ball is 3 kgs, it doesn't have a direction. So it's a scalar quantity. It just has a magnitude of 3 kgs. It is measured in kilograms, grams or pounds where kilograms kg is the SI unit to measure mass. It can be measured using a balance. If I say what is your mass, you will simply stand on a balance and you can measure your mass. We can also say that mass is a measure of inertia. And what is inertia? Inertia is the inability to move or change. Inability to move or change. If an object is moving, its ability to keep on moving is basically its inertia. Or if it is at rest, the ability to stay at rest is the inertia. So if the mass is more, inertia will be more because mass is actually a measure of inertia. More the mass, more is the inertia, right? So mass is basically the amount of matter in an object. It's a scalar quantity measured in kilograms, can be measured using balance, and it's a measure of inertia. Whereas on the other hand, if we talk about weight, weight is not the amount of matter. In fact, it's a force due to gravity. It's a force due to gravity. If I'm talking about this apple, if I say where is the what is the weight of this apple, let's say I am saying 2. I will not say kg. It is measured in newtons. So let's say it's 2 newtons. And where is the weight acting? Because it is the force due to gravity, the weight always acts downwards. Why? Because the gravity always acts downwards. So this is the direction of weight that is given by W is equals to mg. You can calculate weight by this formula W equal to mg. So weight is force due to gravity. It's a vector quantity. Why? Because we have magnitude as well as the direction which is always acted downwards. What is the direction of weight? It always acts downwards because it is force due to gravity and gravity always acts downwards. It is measured in newtons. Why? Because it's a force and force is always measured in newtons. We can calculate weight by the formula W is equals to mg. Where G, what is G over here? G is basically the gravitational field strength. G is the gravitational field strength. Gravitational field strength. So if I want to calculate the value of G from here, I can say G is weight upon mass. This is the gravitational field strength. So how does weight change as per gravitational field strength? If I talk of mass, mass is constant. Wherever you go on earth or in universe, mass will remain the same. If I am saying this ball is 3 kgs, you take it to moon, you take it to Mercury, you take it to Venus, wherever you take, its mass will remain 3 kgs. It will not change in any condition. Whereas if I talk of weight, weight changes as per the gravitational field strength of a particular location. It changes with location. And if the location is changing, the gravitational field strength will change. And therefore, the value of weight will change. So basically, if I am saying the mass of an object is, let's say, 10 kgs, what will be its weight? I am talking about Earth. I want to calculate its weight on Earth. So I can use the formula W is equals to mg, and on Earth gravity is 10. So I can say mass is 10 and gravity is 10. So weight is 100 newtons. Weight is 100 newtons, right? So if I am taking this object of mass 10, sorry, the mass of an object is 10 kgs and the weight of the object is 100 newtons. Same object, right? On Earth. I am talking on Earth. Now I am taking the same object on Moon. On Moon the gravity is 1/6. 1/6 of what it is on Earth. So basically the mass will remain 10 kg. Why? As I said, mass doesn't change wherever you take it. So if I'm taking this object on moon, it will remain 10 kgs. But, but its weight will reduce to 1/6. Why? Because on moon the gravity is less. How much less? It is 1/6 than that of Earth. So weight will also become 1/6. That means the weight will become 100 by 6 Newton on moon. If you are taking to any other planets, let's say you are taking it on Mercury, you are taking it on Venus or any other planet, the weight will change as per the gravity or the gravitational field strength on that particular planet or on that particular place, whereas the mass of the object will remain whatever it was, right? So just for a quick summary, force due to gravity is the weight. It is a vector quantity because it has magnitude as well as direction, and the direction is always pointing downwards or acting downwards because of gravity. It is measured in newtons because it is a force, and we can calculate weight by the formula W is equals to mg, where g is the gravitational field strength, right? Now tip here, weight and masses can be compared using a balance. You can keep the weights or the masses over here and you can balance them out. If this side is going down, that means this is heavier, and if this side is going down, this is heavier, right? So I hope you the video was informative. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.